Breaking emergency video, guys. Right now, there has been a peace deal made between the U.S. and Iran for a total ceasefire less than 1 hour ago. This is a breaking news. Yes, guys, that is right. Iran has offered the U.S. a 10-point proposal peace deal that President Donald Trump has accepted, and there has been a 2-week peace deal made, total ceasefire, to see how this 10-point proposal is going to go. And right now, guys, crypto is absolutely exploding. Altcoins up 10, 15, 20%. Zcash up 30%. Pump Fund coin up 15%. And everything is just going crazy. The total 3 is going crazy. We, in the last hour, have been breaking insane levels of support. I just got off a live video, and I was live showing you guys all of this in real time. And so I want to come on here. I know you guys are probably checking your bags and seeing everything pump right now and are asking, why is this happening? But this is why. Guys, make sure you guys smash the like, leave a nice comment, and subscribe if you guys like these emergency, quick, in real-time videos to let you guys know what is happening. But keep your eyes on the news, not too much. Don't get too sucked into it, but keep your eyes, because if the ceasefire is somehow broken in the next 2 weeks, then this peace deal will be over, and all of this will be in vain, and likely we will continue going back lower to revisit some of those levels that we've been talking about in the channel, around 60K, 55K, and 50K. But yeah, smash the like button, guys, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys then. Bye-bye.